Shet Tanavade.
Thank you, Chairman Sir. I wish to bring to the attention of this August House a matter of great concern for the sports community of Goa. Taekwondo has been one of the most promising sports in the states, with our athletes constantly winning medals at every national games since 1994, including in the 2015 Kerala Games and the 37th National Games hosted in Goa in 2023, along with strong participation in various national and international championships. However, the Taekwondo discipline at the SAI Centre Training in Goa has been discontinued. The discipline was operational at STC Ponda till 2019-20 and was dropped in 2020-21 as a part of the rationalization of disciplines due to the lack of an adequate number of athletes, non-availability of exclusive field of play of Taekwondo, and the presence of Taekwondo Training Centre in the vicinity of STC Ponda run by the Government of Goa. This discontinuation and seriously affected the training prospects of many committed and hardworking athletes for a state that has been shown steady performance and growing interest in this Olympic discipline. This has been a major setback. I strongly appeal that the SAI Training Centre for Taekwondo in Goa be reinstated at the earliest so that our athletes can continue their training without further disruption. Sir, I also wish to highlight the growing importance of racket sports in Goa. Games like badminton, table tennis, squash and pickleball are very popular games, and Goa has produced many capable players in these disciplines. The state already has the necessary infrastructure. Establishing dedicated centers of excellence for these racket sports will help strengthen our medal prospects and proper pathway for young talent. With the upcoming Olympic cycle in mind, it is important that we start preparing our athletes now. Building strong training centers will help India develop a bigger and better pool of sportspersons for future international competitions. Chairman Sir, in the view of the above, I respectfully request the government to kindly reinstate the Taekwondo discipline at the SAI Training Centre in Goa and also consider the creating centers of excellence for the major racket sports in the state. Thank you, sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.